We've got a new customer at the nut bar. His name is Subby. He either Sal's dad or husband. We don't know yet, but he's definitely a man because he's got the shorter tail. She's got quite a long tail, don't you, Sal? No, there's nothing good will come of that. You've just got to wait for your man. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you. I love you. Oh, she's so cute. They make this sound. It's like... Oh, Sal, I'm going to drop her some nuts. Yes, I'll drop you some nuts, doll. Don't worry.